If you want to set a custom message tone on your Motorola smartphone, first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Next, here in the settings, we should be able to find the sound and vibration option. And then if you scroll down, just look for default notification sound. And of course, here, if you change that sound, then you will change the sound for all notifications, or most of the notifications, including the message notification when you receive a new message. If you want to add a custom sound, then you can press Add Notification in here. And then from this list over here, you can of course choose the sound that you want to add, and then we can use this check in the upper right corner and press OK. Now, in case you want to change the sound just for messages, and you want to set a custom sound only for the incoming messages when you receive a new message, and only for that, then we're gonna go back to Settings menu and choose Apps instead. Now over here, tap to see all apps and search for the Messages app. There we go. Now in here, we need to go to Notifications and search for incoming messages. You might need to tap on Show Unused Categories in case you don't see this option. Now in here, we should be able to tap on Sound, and then the rest is the same. You can of course press Add Notification if the custom sound is not added yet, and then you can select it from this list and press OK. Leave a like and subscribe.